for the show, I gotta get that dough.